Consider the student's enrollment database given below. The primary keys are underlined and the data types are specified. First table student, registration number string, name string, major subject that is string, B date, birth date, date, course, course int, course name string, department string, enroll, registration number string, course int, semester int, marks int, book adoption, course int, sem int, book ISBN int, text, book underscore ISBN int, book underscore title string, publisher string, author string. So this is the schema of the table, this project. So now let us come to the project. We need to start Oracle. We need to test this in Oracle SQL environment. So type C, you will get command prompt. Right click on it and say run as administrator. Say yes, maximize the screen. Type SQLPLUS plus forward slash as SYSIS DBA. So we are successfully connected to SQL. Let us clear the screen. CLSCR. Screen has been cleared. Now we shall create the tables by specifying primary keys and foreign keys. Create table student, registration number varchar 8, name varchar 10, major varchar 12, B date that is birth date, date, primary key registration number. Press enter. Here you can see table is created. Now we shall describe the student. Describe the student table. So name and null, not null, type. Name and data type are shown here. Now let us come to the next table. Create table course. So you can see table is created. We shall do describe course. You can see name and type, course ID, course name and department. Now we shall come to the next table, that is create table text. So the table has been created successfully. Now we shall come to the next table. So before that we should do describe text. So you can see name, book ISBN, book title, publisher and author. All are varchar data types. Here you can see all are varchar data types. After text we shall come to the next table, that is book underscore adoption. Let's clear the screen. Table created, course ID varchar, sem varchar, book underscore ISBN varchar, primary key course underscore ID comma sem, foreign key, course ID references course ID, foreign key, book underscore ISBN, references text, book underscore ISBN. We shall describe book adoption. You can see name, course ID, sem and book ISBN. So after this we shall come to the next table, that is table enroll. You can see table created, registration number varchar 10, course underscore id varchar 10, sem varchar 10, marks number 10 comma 2, foreign key registration underscore number references student registration underscore number, foreign key course underscore id comma sem references book underscore adoption course underscore id comma sem. You shall to describe and enroll. You can see in registration number, course id, sem and marks. So all the five tables are created. Now we need to enter at least five tuples for each relations. The five tuples means five. We need to insert five records for each table. So we shall start with the student. Insert student values. I'll copy and paste it. Copy. Let us clear the screen. Copy and paste. You can see one row created. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 rows have been created. Now if you do select star from student, just showing registration number, name, major, subject and birth date. Registration number 001, name Sneha, major mathematics or maths, birth date 15 June 88. So these five records are displayed. Now we need to insert the records into course table. We shall copy these. Let us clear the screen and paste here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows have been created. We shall to select star from course. Let us clear the screen. So course ID, course name and department. Department is computer science, electrical, computer science and mechanical. Course ID and course name is B, that is Bachelor of Engineering. Now we shall enter the records in a text table. Copy. Let us clear the screen. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 records have been inserted. If you do select star from text, you can see book ISBN, ISBN 1, ISBN 2, ISBN 3, ISBN 4, book titles SC that is software engineering, Java, DBMS that is database management system, C++, SQL structure that is structure query language, publisher Pearson, Sapna, O'Reilly, Sapna, Tata McGraw-Hill, TMH is Tata McGraw-Hill, author Somerville, Balguru Swami that is Balguru, Nawate, Reddy and Jason. Now we shall enter the values into book underscore adoption. First we shall clear the screen. So 5 rows have been inserted successfully. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we shall to select star from book underscore adoption. Copy. Let us clear the screen. This is course ID, SEM, first SEM, second SEM, third SEM, fourth SEM, fifth SEM, and book underscore ISBN, ISBN 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we shall insert the tables into enroll insert the values into enroll table, but insert the records into the enroll table. Copy. Let us clear the screen and paste 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 records have been inserted successfully in enroll table. Now if you do select star from enroll, you will see the contents of the table. Let us clear the screen. You can see registration underscore number, course ID, SEM, and marks. Now inserting the records has been completed. Now we need to do queries on these tables. Means to we need to apply some queries on this project. Query 3. Demonstrate how you add a new book to the database and make this as adopted by some department. So for this we need to apply these statements or commands. Copy and paste. So one row created. Now if you do select star from text, we can see one book has been updated in the text, that is DS Bharat Padma. Author is Padma Reddy. DS is data structure, publisher is Bharat, and author is Padma. So this record has been inserted successfully. Now we need to insert into book underscore adoption these values. You can see here one row created. After that, if you do select star from book underscore adoption, you can see ISBN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and course ID is C01. So this query has been completed. This query has been completed successfully. You can see here you can see the screen C01 course ID, 5th SEM, and book ISBN. Now let us come to the fourth query. Fourth query is produce a list of books, include course, book underscore ISBN, book underscore title in alphabetical order for course offered by the CS department, computer science department, that use more than 2 books. So to do this, we need to first insert. Let us clear the screen. First, we need to insert into book underscore adoption values C01, 4th SEM, ISBN number 6. You can see one row created. After that, if you do select star from book underscore adoption, here you can see 7 rows selected. Course 01, 02, 05, 05, 11, 5th SEM, 4th SEM, and ISBN 6 is repeated twice. Now this is the query. Copy and let us clear the screen. Select c.course underscore id, comma book b.book underscore ISBN, comma b underscore title from course C, book underscore adoption B, text T, where b.book underscore ISBN is equal to t.book underscore ISBN and c.course underscore id is equal to b dot course underscore id, and c dot department is equal to computer science, that is comp dot science, and c dot course underscore id in select c dot course id from course c book underscore adoption b comma text t, where c dot course underscore id is equal to b dot course underscore id, and b dot book underscore isbn is equal to t dot book underscore isbn, and c dot department is equal to computer science group by c dot course underscore id having count star greater than 2 order by c dot course id. So you can see this is the output: C01, ISBN 1, ISBN 66, software engineering, data structure and data structure. Now let us come to the query number 5. List any department that has all its adopted books published by a specific publisher. So for this is the query. Copy. Let us clear the screen. So select department, comma publisher from course C text T book underscore adoption B, where C dot course underscore ID is equal to B dot course underscore ID, and T dot book underscore ISBN is equal to B dot book underscore ISBN, and T dot publisher is equal to Sapna. So you can see department electrical and computer science, publisher Sapna. So these two departments have same publisher name. You can see here same thing. That's it friends for today's session. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.